Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Anno 1800 on console. Let's dive right into the core mechanics. You'll use your gamepad to navigate the user-friendly interface, placing buildings, and managing your growing city. Mastering the camera controls is key to overseeing your empire. We'll cover the essential steps to get your first settlement thriving and your economy running smoothly. A strong economy is the backbone of your empire. You'll need to establish efficient production chains, from farming to manufacturing, to create the goods your citizens demand. Balancing supply and demand is crucial. Too much or too little can lead to problems. Don't forget to set up profitable trade routes with other islands to secure unique resources and boost your income. Your citizens are the heart of your city, and keeping them happy is vital. As they evolve through different tiers, their needs will grow, requiring more complex goods and services. Ensure you provide everything from basic fish to luxury cigars. Maintaining high public order and happiness prevents unrest, ensuring your city continues to prosper and expand without interruption. Once your first island is flourishing, it's time to expand. Explore the vast world to discover new islands rich in unique resources like oil or cotton. You'll interact with other factions, choosing between peaceful diplomacy or strategic conflict to achieve your goals. Careful planning of your expansion, including logistics and defense, is essential for building a truly dominant empire.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.